So next up, we have Bahrain versus Tajikistan. Saood Salman from Bahrain, just getting the final checks there. He is in the blue corner wearing the purple kit, and he will be taking on Tajikistan's Khaiyomjon Chuyanov. And this is in the 31 kilogram bracket, 68 pounds. My goodness. Final checks nearly done for this Bahrain versus Tajikistan contest. And we are here in Abu Dhabi at the Jiu-Jitsu arena. Once again, what a stage this is, and I've spoken to a few of the coaches as well. They're really excited just to give the opportunity as well for their young men and women to step in here and compete in an arena like this, on a platform like this. And in they come. So here we go, Saood Salman from Bahrain taking on Khaiyomjon Chuyanov from Tajikistan. Oh, and the Bahraini fighter catches the kick in on the takedown attempt, really controls the legs well. Looking for the switch on the other side, but great awareness there from Saood. Still trying to control his man, is Saood Salman from Bahrain, working and progressing that position. Now he's got it, he's in full guard. And Chuyanov, oh, looking for the armbar here. Well done there from Saood Salman. Reacted, stayed safe. You can see off the back, this Tajikistan fighter, Chuyanov, certainly has the submission game. And look at that, saw the space, escaped, and now looking to take the back himself. He's got to shrug that arm off now. He can set his own hooks. Oh, a little mistake there. He's just gone very high up. Saood Salman, oh, might get caught in the triangle here. The reactions there from Chuyanov, super quick. Trying to survive is Saood, but he is in a bad spot. And one thing about these shin guards is they give a little bit more space than if it was without them. But now he's cut the angle as well, Saood, and squeezing. And there we have it, wow. Right till the end though, Saood Salman tried to get out of that. But you have to give absolute credit to Chuyanov, pulling off that triangle under pressure, threw those legs up, cinched it up, and technically set it, cut the angle, and got the victory. Another win for Tajikistan. At breakfast this morning, we were talking about the emerging nations, and Tajikistan was on everybody's lips. And that is the reason why. What